Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. And one of the tools that doesn't get shown very often over here on my Thompson surface grinder. If you watch many grinding videos, you're probably used to guys working in microns and millionths of an inch and stuff like that. Well, some surface grinders like this one are really just more or less for making parts flat. They're not really for doing intricate type work like that. So that's what I have this machine for, is flattening stuff out. And I'll show you what I got here. I have 6 brake plates here that are all chewed up and the faces are ruined on them. These are an obsolete part. So I'm just going to dress these off to get a decent surface back to put friction material back against. Their thickness is non-critical, and if they clean up perfect is also non-critical. So I'm just going to brush these off, and should be a fast, quick job, not too hard. Do them all one time. Got them nested against each other to help brace them so they don't try and kick off. And they're magged down and ready to go. So we'll fire this up and mow these suckers off. They're easy to hold on here too. Don't need any special fixturing or anything. It's just a flat piece. It's gonna be flat. 5/1000 off and about a about a half-inch step over. Well, looks like they're about 3/4 of the way cleaned up, so I'm gonna fire this back up and maybe I'll get greedy and try a 10 and see what happens. Probably be a mistake, but we'll live and learn. More now. And that's the 10. I'm satisfied with that. Those look good. Should demag. You can see all those iron filings in the grinding. There's your metal chips for grinding right there. You can see it's got all the scratchy lines out of it. It's a good surface again. You'll need flashed deburred. Rivets still need knocked out of here too. Some of them are still in. But other than that, this job's a success. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little bit on the grinder and a more industrial type production setting. I guess you would say, rather than a precision setting. Just making parts flat and cleaning them up and doing it pretty quick. And I took probably 30 thou off these to get them cleaned up, and it didn't take real long to do it. So just fixturing them, holding them in the mill, and keeping them flat in the process would probably taken every bit as long. So a machine like this can be good for parts like that, where all you need to do is just make them flat, get a good decent surface on them, and this surface is plenty good enough for riveting a steel plate onto. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch you later. Well, in case Steve Barton's crew's watching this video, I just happened to be walking by my lathe on the way out and just happened to notice the boring bar. The little 1/2-inch boring bar is in the tool post on the Monarch, and you can see by the chips on it that it has been getting used. So it's a good little boring bar, and I definitely like having it added to the collection. You can do things with it that you can't do with this one. Of course, the same goes the other way. Bailey's approved another job. Sweet. If you want to see a true professional grinder hand in action, doing intricate grind work, go check out Steve Barton at Solid Rock Machine. He and his family do grinding over there and have a lot of videos up that you can check out. That's where this came from.